a government call siya na. It's a that time na police so that niya.
The government.
What? What the fuck? No.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Wagwan people, it's your girl Nishoy
And Shanoy.
and we're back with another freaking video. So in today's video guys, we'll be doing the How Jamaican Are You challenge part 2. So I want to see how much Shanoy knows about Jamaica overall. But without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video.
Wait a minute.
Also, don't forget to watch the ads. If you don't watch the ads, people won't be able to get pay here on YouTube. And also, please leave a comment in the comment section letting us know which other video you would like to see us do.
Round 1.
Alright people, so the first question is, and this one goes to Shanoy, right? Stop looking here. Alright, so the first question is, Jamaica is located 90 miles south of which country? Okay, so option, right? Cuba, Venezuela, Haiti, Barbados.
Cuba.
Alright, you get one right. Ding, 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 ding.
The capital of Jamaica is which city? The options: Montego Bay, Portmore, Kingston, Gaza.
What? Well, the capital of Jamaica, I know. It is Kingston, Jamaica.
Oh my God! Wow!
The next question is, right? A major agriculture crop grown in Jamaica is which of the following? Sugar, wheat, soy, or veggie patties?
A few moments later. 3 days later.
Sugar.
Oh, you're lucky. Kevin, we'll get the one there. Just a hum.
Round 2.
The Jamaican Maroons were the second Negro group to gain freedom from their masters in the New World. True or false?
Come again.
The
Take time.
Jamaican Maroons were the second Negro group to gain freedom from their masters in the New World. True or false?
True.
No. False. Wait a minute. Who are you?
In which parish? No. Which parish in Jamaica is the athletics track star Usain Bolt from? The parishes are St. Anne's, St. Mary, St. Andrews, or Trelawney. Answer the question. Answer the question.
A few moments later.
Trelawney is the answer. So you get that one wrong. So you depend 2 points. Me depend 1 point.
The Jamaican flag consists of how many colors? Options 13, 1, 3, 31.
3 colors. Black, green, and gold.
Final round.
The following are the names of two mountains in Jamaica: Over River Mountain, Beersheba Hills, B. Blue Mountain and Drunko Mountain, C. Whistling Mountain, Wild Boar Mountain.
Blue Mountain and Drunker Mountain. The Manchester Golf Club in Jamaica, the oldest in the Western Hemisphere, was established in the year 2000 BC, 1973, 1868, 1938.
Come again.
Because I know.
2000
How you know the one day?
2000
2000 BC. That
Yeah.
gone beyond it. Me don't know the year. Me don't know about 2000 BC. Go on now.
1973,
1973 gone way back.
1868,
1868. Go on now.
1938.
1938.
No.
Right.
1868.
If Jamaica was born in 1962, right? How old is Jamaica today?
Three days later.
The answer.
This year, what?
2022.
So this year, what year celebration we are celebrating? How much year?
That's serious?
Which is correct. This year, Jamaica is celebrating 60 years of independence. Oh my God.
Bob Marley was born in Jamaica in the year 1494, 1509, 1111, 1962, or 1945.
1945.
Mhm.
Yes! Yes!
Because that.
The head of the government is elected by the Jamaican people and is called which of the following? Governor General, Prime Minister, Manayard, or Member of Parliament?
The Prime.
What if the head of government called Shannon? It's a guy telling the police so that the
The
next.
governor.
No, 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 no.
Oh, hell no!
So that is the end of today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like the video and share the video also. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and of course follow all our social medias, which will be in the description box. And yeah, so without further ado, we're out. Bye.
Your work.